This is Holly by Wigs, and the color on this one is their 8-135R Caramel Kiss. Really, really pretty. She has a lace front. So here is that lace. And the reason I put it on the mannequin head is because it kind of disappears on my forehead. And I think that this particular lace will be much easier for me to cut. So I'm gonna just pull the hair back. You know, I just have some little clips here. Pull the hair back to get it out of the way, all the way. So there's a couple different scissors I use. You can use pinking shears if you want to. Just don't normally do that. I know John Renault recommends using pinking shears, but these are actual, you know, barber scissors, and I'd use these. And then I also have these little teeny nail scissors, and I find that these are really easy, especially if I need to go back and like cut an extra little spot. So all I'm gonna do is just follow right along the hairline. You can always go back and cut more off. So, you know, don't be, if you're nervous about it, then leave yourself some extra lace and then maybe try it on and see if that lace shows or not. And then if you want to cut it back some more, cut it back some more. But I've cut enough of these now that I know I just want to follow right along the hairline. And you can even, if you want to, you can even, you know, make it a little uneven and try to make it a little more natural so you don't have to go back and do any plucking or anything. But I'm just gonna follow right along here. And it's okay if you cut a few of the hairs. It's not the end of the world. They'll just pull, you know, they're just gonna fall out. You're gonna have, there's always some shedding with wigs anyway. So you're not gonna hurt the wig any if you accidentally cut a hair out or whatever. You know, you don't wanna go crazy on it, but you can just cut it, you know, cut it, get it out of the way. And I think that looks pretty good. So there's a little bit of a flap of lace. I don't know if y'all can see that right here. I'm gonna go in with these little teeny scissors. Just get that off of there. This one looks pretty good though. Okay, yeah, I like the way that looks. I'll pop it on my head. All right, so now I have the wig on my head so you can see that lace front there. Turned out really, really nicely. I'm happy with the way it turned out. So she is just gorgeous, and I can't wait to show you a review on her. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful.